Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's EzFix Vent Cap and Gasket Kit. The expected installation time should be approximately 15 minutes, and the tools required are a screwdriver, 4 screws. We suggest using the right type of screw and length for the finish you're fastening the cap to. Remove the louvers from the vent cap, which is currently on your wall. Place the foam gasket with the square cutout over the remaining old vent frame. If needed, remove as much of the square insert using the perforated tearaways. Place the round gasket over the collar of the new vent cap. Install the second gasket with vent cap, squaring it up against the old cap and square gasket. Use 4 screws and either the 4 outer holes or 4 inner holes on the new cap to fasten it to the old frame or the wall. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.